Yeah.
Just walk right into my nigga
Straight up. So I got this goddamn beautiful bird that just flew in my car.
Believe this motherfucker just flew in and started hanging, dog. That shit crazy.
They'll never believe it, man. That's why you gotta record it sometime to see that, you know what I'm saying? Have documentation. So we chilling here on this beautiful Good Friday. And out of nowhere, we see this beautiful bird. First it fly on my man car. You know what I'm saying? He peep it out at first, and we got pictures and whatnot. And then all of a sudden, while we chopping it up and whatever, it fly on my car. And then it went over, you know what I'm saying? Then it was handed on that side. Then, Highness just came on in. And here I am right now. You know, we got Highness. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Came straight up in the goddamn car, goddamn walking around and shit. And it's just right here. I dub it Highness. I call it Highness. Her. I think it's her. She going to sleep. She going to sleep in my car on a Good Friday. Is it a parrot? I don't think it's a parrot.
It's on the steering wheel.
Yeah. And it's gorgeous, bro. This is absolutely gorgeous.
The motherfucker pretty green when it opened its wings it turned blue.
And it's just crazy, yo. You know what they say, you got good mojo when animals come pull up on you and whatnot. So I take it as an excellent sign. Forgive me, I'm smoking. I know it's probably high by now, but good things to come, good things, good vibes. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm really flabbergasted right now, but I had to have documentation. I got my man's here, and blessings, man. Ghost.